we have created target schema, and we have ensured that we actually read the metadata, meaning understanding the structure of source and target staging database. So now we know that the objects are in place and we are ready to start testing. Please keep in mind, now I'm going to test tables, and the test should fail for all tables but the empty ones, because we have created tables in the target database, but we didn't copy the data from source to target staging database. So unless you already have data in place in target staging database, you will need to copy the data over. Luckily, we can use OmniLoader for that purpose, but let's get started with the table test. So if I now go to a specific table, in the test screen, I can click create a test. I can also do the same thing by selecting a table. Actually, now if I go to the first one, we see that we have a test on the right side. Now, if I go to the second one, I can create tests like this, but it's faster to go to test screen, right-click the tables, generate tests for all tables. Now we have created tests for all tables, but we didn't run them yet. So let's first see how to run tests for a single table. Okay, this one has matched, but it matched because there is 0 records on source and 0 records on the target. Let's try the second one. As expected, this one failed because we have 1 record in source, no records in the target, right? Let's try the third one. Same thing, we have data in source, no data in target. Now, if I just click run all, it's going to take a while. Actually, we have a newer build of SQL Tran, where this is much, much faster because we use the same very efficient, highly performant parallel engine as we use in OmniLoader. But right now, this is going to take just a few more seconds, and all these tables should fail. And while this is continuing, we already know that we actually have to copy the data over, because everything in the testing depends on having exact same data in source and target staging. So that's going to be the next step we're going to do.